In this video, I will show you how you can find blank or empty cells in Excel. Suppose if you are working in a large dataset or big dataset, and if you want to add so many formulas, so it is very difficult that time to use the formula. What kind of problem you can face, I will show you. Suppose you want to count how many names are present in this data range, data range, and you can if you want to add formula like counter, and if you want to select that data range. Suppose if you want to count the name, okay, you just select on that and you will press Ctrl Shift down to select the range. So it will not select because there is a blank cell are present in our data set. So it is very difficult. Again, you have to press Ctrl Shift down. So you have to do until your end data set, in then your end value. You have to do it until your value end. Okay, so it is very difficult. Again, otherwise we have to select manually. Okay, like this. So it is very time consuming and not accurate. Okay, so to remove this kind of problem, so you can there is a trick I will show you in this video. Okay, suppose if I will show you how many blank rows, blank cell are present in this dataset. Is equal to count blank and select the dataset. Enter. You can see that 10 cells are blank. Okay, 10 cells are blank in this dataset. There is so many. It will be increased according to your dataset. So there is a trick that you can identify the blank cell, and you can also add value as per your requirement. Suppose I want to add B text in this data range where the blank cells are present. Okay, so to do that, just select the data set, enter data set, and go to special, home tab, go to special, click on blank, and okay, you can see our all blank cells are selected, and I want to put B in these blank cells. So you just write B and press Ctrl Enter. You can see our all blank cell replaced by B text using this method. This is very quick work. Okay, so you can do this with this trick. This will help you to work. This will help you to help in your daily work. So if you like this video, just click the like button and subscribe my channel. We will see in the next video. Thank you.